Mula sa naging post ng SB19 fanpage na pangkat Spotify for SB19, ang samahan lang hanggan kahit pasukdulan ang mga karanasan. Simula at wakas kick-off live rendition of Salamat has officially surpassed 1 million streams on Spotify. There is something truly special about hearing an entire stadium sing every word back to SB19. This version isn't just a live track, it's a love letter from our Mahalima for Us 18. From the very first note up to this era, we've continued to hold the zone together. This milestone is proof that SB19's live performances are on another level. And when our voices unite, there's no limit to what we can achieve. But you already know us. We don't stop here. Keep streaming, sharing, and let's take SB19's music even higher. Very secure nga ang SB19 dahil na rin sa very supportive nilang fandom. Ito nga ang isa sa masasabi ng SB19 na meron sila. Yes, ang talent at ano pa man ang meron sila ay iyon ang dahilan kung bakit sila nagkaroon ng fans. Pero ang pinaka-pinasasalamat nila ay ang pagkakaroon ng fandom na talaga namang hindi sila iiwan sa lahat ng kanilang laban. Kaya napansin nyo, very secured ang SB19 na kahit hindi sila nagpo-promote ng husto, nandyan ang kanilang 18 para suportahan sila at sila na ang bahala. Kaya naman sa lahat ng ginagawa ng SB19, nandoon kaparte ang kanilang fans at hindi ito pwedeng mawala. Yes, sa naging update naman, ang kanilang songs na Mapa, 91 million strong, next up 100 million. Mapa, the most streamed SB19 track on Spotify, has officially reached 91 million streams. More than just a song, Mapa is a heartfelt tribute to the parents who became our first guides, our greatest teachers, and our constant source of strength. Its comforting message of unconditional love has found a home in millions of hearts around the world, inspiring listeners across generations and reminding us of the sacrifices, guidance, and unwavering support of our mothers and fathers. Thank you to everyone who continues to stream, share, and celebrate this timeless masterpiece. Every listen keeps its message alive and brings Mapa one step closer to the 1 million milestone. Tumutok lang po for more SB19 updates. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.